Hello guys, we are going try rebuild Man United. Part 2. I play this before, but I quit. Let's win this match. We win 2-0. Let's see our team. I think I have to sell Cristiano and Messi, because he's too old, then not grow up. Sorry Ronaldo and Messi, you have to sell, because you guys too old.
Still raining. Why is it still raining? I did what I was supposed to.
By Ronaldo and Messi. Let's see our current team. I think I wanna buy new LW because Mount OVR is 78 if he put in LW. I think we sell Casemiro to because he old.
Leave the football before the football leaves you.
By Casemiro, you have to left Man United. I think I want to buy Martinelli because he's 25. I buy him for 15M. Martinelli to Man United. Here we go. Let's setting the team. Let's see skip until end of the season. Let's go we in UCL. We will face Wolfsburg, Dortmund, Inter, Roma, Dynamo. Copenhagen, Real Betis, and Benfica. Let's play first match UCL. We will facing Wolfsburg. We win 3-0. Alright, let's skip again. We are in final season. Let's see who win. D-War. Golden Boots. NBA PP. Goalkeeper is Manian. How the foo *K Harry Kane. Win Ballon d'Or. We get top for an EPL. We lost FA Cup in round fit. FA Sierra ABAO losing round 4th. UCL we managed a round of 16. Cunha was the top scorer. And the board are unhappy. Year 3 with Man United. The board want win a trophy. Let's see the transfer market. Fulham want to buy Alan Varela for 40 meters. Okay, at that end buy Alan Varela. I think I have to sell Martinelli. I think I wanna buy Alex Pina. I buy Alex Pina for 60 meters and I think Nopta. Overprice for 1 LW. Alex Spinod to Man United. Here we go. I think I wanna buy new reserve, because we got non-reserve. This is our current team. Okay guys, tomorrow we will be a part 3 and bye bye. Peace.
I got this!